Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. My name is John, and this is my final submission for CS50w web development. It's a booking and appointment system for a nails beautician salon. So I will show you how it works. Here we have the login and registration page. So we will log in with a user account. I've tried to create this as a single page application, so there's no reloads or refreshes at any stage of the customer facing user interface. So it's a very simple site with appointments and my bookings page. We can see there's no upcoming appointments, so we click here to select an appointment. Here we can see all available upcoming appointments. This page is rendered from a Django API. Here you can see it's got date strings with the appointment object information attached. So we select an appointment, we enter our information, select an appointment type, and we're told the price and the duration. Make the request, and it was successful. And we can see everything has been updated accordingly. We will request a cancellation, yes please, and there we go, it's disappeared and it's available to book again. Just a quick point that this looks good on mobile as well. I imagine that users would be typically using an iPhone, so we can see everything looks nicely proportioned on the narrow phone view as well. So the manager facing side of the site, if we log in as a manager, we're taken to this page. There's a lot more going on, so it's not a single page, but you can see the planning page. This is where you can schedule appointments. So we have appointments scheduled for the next few weeks up until the 14th of July. If we want to create a new week of appointments from the soonest Monday after the last appointment, we click here, and that creates a full week of new appointments way in the future. So if a manager wants to cancel upcoming appointments, they can simply click on the relevant button. If you wanted to cancel an appointment that has a customer, we have a warning message. So let's not do that. And the manager needs to acknowledge past booked appointments. So here is a past appointment. That's why it's grayed out. We acknowledge it, and we're asked to provide what the earnings were for that particular appointment in order to make a record. So the records are what feeds the data on these graphical representations. Here we can see income by date, how much was made on each particular day. We can see the total aggregate income by week, which is nice because it keeps going up and to the right. We can see the popularity of appointments by type on the donut chart, and also the total income that was taken for each of the appointment types. And finally, we can see the records. This is a pandas data frame of all of the records for this tax year, and we can also see the total earnings so far and download a CSV file with all of the records data. So I'll end on a boring note of showing you an Excel spreadsheet file. Thank you for watching. My name is John, and this was the CS50 Final Project, my appointments booking system.